Good morning, guys. This is Joey at Truck Market, bringing to you this morning a 2011 Freightliner Coronado with a 12.7 liter Detroit 10-speed. This one's only got 727 total on the miles, 727,000 total miles, but only 700 miles on an out-of-frame overhaul, replacing the crank at Freightliner. So it's got another year warranty till next spring of 2022. Just done at Freightliner. Let's get rolling. Going to show you underneath the hood, blow by, oil pressure, frame rails. Give you a good close-up look at this one. Had it running about an hour, so should be good and hot. Air ride front end. No blow by, which wouldn't expect it since it was just out of frame. Love the look on this one. Dual stacks, cab mounted. Full fenders over the rear. Hard to find Coronado condo right now in a glider kit. Extremely clean on the back end, especially for 2011. Got the additional light bar on the back as well. Overall, really good body and paint. It's got the typical Coronado little fairing dampers down there. Hanging meat inside here today. Pretty sweet dual legacy leather seats. Interior's really clean. There's your total miles. Your water and oil temps getting on up there. Not full capacity on your oil yet, but getting close. Pressure's phenomenal, sounds great. Super clean truck. If you need anything additional, you can always hit me up at Truck Market, Joey at truckmarket.com, or you can always text or call me at 901-896-4526. Thanks again.